some pissed off emotion. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off emotion.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's up, everybody? Sure, by some of y'all can tell by the sound, I'm on a Ducati 2011 Ducati 1198. It's my buddy Tim's bike. I say my buddy, like I just met the dude 10 minutes ago, and he's like, here's the keys, take it for a spin. I'm like, hell yeah. Now, I will say I don't know much about these particular bikes. He does have the dry clutch on it, which I already immediately in love with. I know a lot of people don't like them because they're loud, but yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. I don't know what mode it's in. These front brakes are ridiculous. Goes. Alright, I'm gonna look up all the specs on it and I'll throw it up here, you know, on the screen like I always do. Good lord, this thing is fucking amazing. You know, the biggest Ducati I ever rode was that other one I did, was a 996, I believe it was. So this is a treat. Alright, I'm gonna start off though with comfortability. I'm not super comfortable. I'm wanting to hold my head up quite high. The seat sits at an awful angle, kind of like an R1. I'm going to compare it to an R1 again, but almost a little bit more aggressive. But I still don't feel like I'm holding myself up that much. I'm just holding my head up really high. You hug the fuck out of this tank though, and it's feels really good though. And I mean, I hit it real quick when I pulled out of Travis' house. I had to take it up, put gas in it real quick. This thing, second gear, the front tire never touched the ground. So it's got these shorty levers on it. I'm not too fan of where the rear brake is. It's kind of down a little bit. Let's give it a little hit. Whoa, my God, this thing is fucking fast. Holy shit, that power. Wow, the power is ridiculous when it comes on. Fuck, I hope my audio is working, god damn it. I don't know if I'm gonna do the usual real long ride. Oh my God, this thing fucking handles like amazing. Like I felt super comfortable just going that speed, laying this bike way down just to make that corner. A little pull off right up here. I'm gonna pull off and get a side shot of it real quick. Oh my God, these front brakes are fucking ridiculous. Oh yeah, there's that open clutch. Let's do a super quick walk around on it.
Nice.
Ducati 1198. Them front brum brakes are crazy. There's the open clutch. It does have a full exhaust on it, two brothers. Alright, let's ride it. bike is ridiculous. Play his dashboard off it a little bit. I don't see a gear indicator, which is fine. I mean, I know I'm in 6th. Like my GoPro needs to be at a higher angle for to ride this bike. We're gonna, I think I might go ahead and go down this road, hit it real quick. You get over 3,000 RPMs and this thing just fucking goes. God damn. Make a quick U-turn. I think I seen 147. That sounds great. Say something here. All the fast bikes I've ever ridden, Hayabusas and everything, this is probably the first bike I've ever been on that it just, you can feel the power all the time, even after riding R1. Like you just feel this power, like it's wanting to throw you off the bike. I don't know, it's just, it actually makes me the slightest bit nervous. And I've never been nervous riding a bike before unless the bike was clapped out. Yo, this thing is ridiculous. In 6th gear. Nimble. I mean, I don't know how much it weighs. Like I said, I have those specs up there, but this bike it feels great. I mean, it's a Ducati, so you know it's going to feel great. You know it's going to have a good ride. Looks like it's very well balanced. Let's go ahead and drop down a couple gears here. We come around this here corner, pretty decent straightaway. Then I'll turn around and take it back. Buddy. That's 150. I've seen 150 anyways. This thing wants to like just straight stand up on you. Once you get it in third, that's it. It stays planted. Now, this thing is a pretty amazing piece of machine. And I love the single-sided swing arm. I can't fucking talk. I'm all kinds of excited being on this bike. But I really do love the single-sided swing arm. Let's go down another gear. This is one of them bikes that I need to keep for about a month and just get completely used to riding it. But just riding it like this, I love the hell out of it. I mean, it's like, even though my head is uncomfortable, my neck is, but I mean, I got bad neck problems anyway, so. Other than that, the bike feels amazing. These fucking front brakes are ridiculous. Ooh, man. This bike is awesome. Yeah, she feels good. This dude's bike, Tim. I do appreciate you letting me ride it, sir. You've got an amazing machine here. Expensive to work on, but amazing. So that's going to be it, guys. 2011 Ducati 1198. I got a pretty big smile on my face. This thing is a ridiculous bike. I love it. I don't know if I need one, but I love it. There's other Ducatis I want. This one kind of just made the list. So I'm gonna take it back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload videos. Go over and hit up my Instagram. That's where all my good shit gets posted. Fuck Facebook. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you leave some comments. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.